What's going on, guys? Welcome back, y'all. Alright, man, today's the day where we're gonna get ready, man, for the snow. It already snowed once, a few days back. Snowed once, and thanks to our sponsor, Last Fit, we got some liners. Alright, we got some liners, some new liners for the whole car. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what we got.
Perfect. Perfect.
Alright, y'all, I'm losing daylight. Cause, man, the moment it gets to 4 o'clock over here, man, it's dark. And it's about 4 p.m. right now. It's cold outside, it's freezing, and I'm trying to record this. Alright, so this is the mats. We got the driver right here, driver front mat, passenger front, the back, and this is the trunk cargo mats, alright? So this liner right here, man, not gonna lie, I think this is one of the best designs I've seen. Especially the way it is, it's pretty easy to like clean up because these are pretty wide. The serrations right here, they are pretty wide, so that's good. So we got one thing going on right now. So we got a wide design, all right, and then this is good for the heel. Kind of keep your heels in place. Keep your heel in place. You know, it's not gonna move or go anywhere, and it will kind of support your heel from just sitting on the mat. Because usually when your heel just sit on the mat, the raw mat, let me not say raw, but the mat, this is what happens. And this is my regular Elantra N mats. This is what happens when your heel just sit there. And it's cold and it's going to snow or rain, you need liners. You need liners ASAP to keep the car in good condition, keep your floor in good condition, right? So these mats, I'm probably gonna replace these with the N Performance mat in the future. So it is what it is. But these liners will for sure protect my car for the time being and keep it clean. Y'all cannot tell me this stuff don't look good, all right? Like I said, custom made for the Elantra N. All the corners are covered. This is gonna be open so you can access those controls right here for the trunk and the gas. This right here, it covers the dead pedal up here. And yeah, man, and it hooks with the factory hooks on the floor. And yeah, it's not moving, it's not going anywhere. Everything all the water, the dirt, the snow, everything is gonna stay on here. All you gotta do is take this off, clean it, and you'll be straight. You can't tell me this don't look good. Like, come on. Like, ooh, all right. Let me just go ahead and add let's go ahead the passenger. had to clean up after myself, you feel me? But yeah, man, those liners are pretty nice. Got the Hyundai looking clean. Yep. Hold on. Let's go. They looking nice, man. Yeah, man, I gotta wash today too, man. I had to get a wash because of the snow. I had to get a wash, man. Car was looking a little dirty. But yeah, yo, those mats look clean, man. Those mats look clean in here, man. I will see all these hold up against the snow, which from the quality, from the feel, when I was installing this, when I was, touching it or whatever, it feels high quality. Like, it feels like this will last you a couple winters, a couple bad winters. You will have this for a couple years, most likely. Let me not get run over, but y'all, this is it. This is my little review on the Last Fit liners. They actually have a discount. They have 20% off on the website. Go ahead and go get you some liners, y'all. Most likely they have some for your car, custom made for your car. So go ahead, get yourself some liners, protect yourself from the snow, the rain, etc. And yeah, and make sure you drop a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know if you're gonna get it. And peace, y'all.
Perfect. Perfect.